Guys, welcome back. This is the reason I'm gonna do this bumper right here, the lower bumper fascia, because this one is cracked. So looks like we're gonna have to change this lower piece, and then the deflector valence right here. It looks like this one is okay, but I'm gonna change both. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, and you can tell that this is the new part right here. Picked it up about $100 for this little piece and 120 for this big piece. That's for this upper piece right here. All right, so let's get to it and let's start working on this. First, what you do is there's 3 bolts that holds this fender liner here, and after that this will come out. Just peel this off, and then same thing on the other side. 3 bolts on the fender liner here, 1 2 3, and you can just peel this off, and then about what 6 push-in retainer up on the top, and then 2 bolts 10mm sockets up on the top, and this front end here will come out on the top, and then there's another set of bolts that you need to take out down here. So bolts, there's one right there. I took this one off already, and then there's one right here. So I think there's about 6 bolts that you need to take out, and then after that this whole bumper fascia will come out loose. So you can tell there's a smaller piece right here. It looks like this just clip on to the bigger piece, but on the edge there's look like a bolt and a nut. On the same thing on the other side, there's a bolt and a nut that you need to take out. We're gonna take those off, and then we're gonna slide this bottom piece out first, and then we're gonna work on the upper piece after. I got the bumper on the grass so that I won't scratch the paint. So I'm gonna show you this bolt. I guess it's not a bolt, it's a rivet. There's one right here, there's one down there. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this whole piece out right here. So what I need to take out is this rivet right here, and same thing on the other side. I need to take out that rivet over there, and then when those out, this whole thing will just peel out off the painted fascia, and that's what we want. So I'll show you how to take this out, so you can tell rivet really nice tight in there. This one here, I got this one started already. I just need side cutters, pinch all this out, and then this should come out just like that. I'll show you on the other side how I did that. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to remove this here with the side cutter. So basically just start with this one little thing, peel it off, and then the stud will come out just like that. Make it straight, and just like that. Now it's time to peel this off, this black piece right here. But first, you can tell that there's a plastic retainer right here. Looks like there's a square looking head right here. I'll just use a flat screwdriver. So removing this black piece right here, figure out this big tabs right there. There's one right there. You just use a flat screwdriver, 2 of them, just work your way in here, push those black piece, and they were loose already. This is easy because there's a broken piece right here, and that's why this side is easy. So you just push those out, and then this whole thing will come out just like that. So let's move on all the way down here. So finally the old one is off. We're gonna have to salvage There's fog lights and maybe this chrome piece. We're gonna have to transfer it to the new one. Here's the new ones, 2-piece, top and bottom, and here's the old one. You can tell that we're gonna have to salvage the center piece right here. We're gonna take that out. Same thing with the fog lights and all the chromes. We're gonna take out the fog lights. So we just push this thing down, push that one up, slide it that way, and that's out. There you go. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so those are the pieces that we're gonna put on this bumper. Here's the one in the middle. This one here is garbage. Toss that out. This is what we're gonna work on here. This goes up there in the middle. And the other piece is over there behind me. I could put that back in there. And those two right there, those two right there. And then the bottom piece is right there. So, you know, just put it back the way how you took it out. Alright, so first, before you start putting all this back together, I'm gonna show you something here. Hopefully you can see this. So make sure this chrome piece line up on the other chrome piece on the middle here. Goes like that. Okay. Make sure it goes in. You have to line this up first in here before you snap it on the bigger piece. Guys, so this is the part that we're gonna install on here like that. Okay. Alright guys, so this side is done. That's bolt down. It's snug, it's tight, so you can tell there's a wing nut in there. That's all I can find, and a bolt with 2 washer. And on this side, I'll show you how I do it on this side. It's pretty easy. A bolt right there. So put washer on the top here, and then put a wing nut over the washer. And then just tighten them up. It's nice and snug. And there you go. That's good. This thing's not gonna come off. Alright, let's see how this thing look like. Nice and flush, all in one piece. It looks really nice. This is the back end, what it look like. So 2 pieces are ready to go together to make the 1 piece. So let's get started. Let's line up all the tabs and the holes and lock them down. So this tabs right here, 2 and 2 goes into the hole right here, and then one in the corner, one right there. So let's just start on that side and we'll work our way up to the other side. Everything is all lined up. We just want to make it sure that it all snap in place. Just keep pushing it in, and then it should be good. Bolt and screw on the corner here. Lock it down. It's not gonna move. You have to like bend a couple plastic molding here so that one hole will line up together. There you go. Alright, that's good. 2 nuts and bolts are good. 2 nuts and bolts on that side are good. So just double check, make sure all the plastic molding are all pushing together. Feel it, make sure that it's runs smooth. There's no bumps or anything that it's off, you know. So it looks good to me right there. So tabs right here, open that up, put that at that, and we'll put the plastic retainer in. Alright, so that's good. Perfect. It looks nice, guys. It looks really, really nice. Wow, that looks nice. Just need some cleaning and they look better like you.
Rockstar Audio.